beautiful day to go for a ride, even though it's cold, eh, pal? Actually, we're going out for a special reason. I wanted to say, you see that over there? You see it? You see that, pup? No, maybe not. Anyway, so I figured what we do is I would take my boy somewhere that's... You're yawning again. Am I boring you? I figured I'd take my boy somewhere where he likes to go. I know what he wants. I know what that dog wants. I can't say the word because I know what'll happen if I do. But I know what he wants. If you promise to stay calm, I'll make sure that we go. You have to promise to stay calm. I know, but you gotta stay calm. So I'm thinking what we do is we go for a little ride first, and after our ride, I'll take you back to that place you love to go every day. Every day I take you there. You already know what I'm talking about, right? I know you do. Okay, relax. We're gonna go. Okay, I'll just say it. Let's just get it over with. You want me to say it? You want me to say it? Should we just get it over with right now? Okay, I'm just gonna say it. You want to go to DQ and have an ice cream? Buddy wants an ice cream for DQ? You want to go for an ice cream for DQ? Okay, all right. We're on our way. Buddy wants an ice cream? Okay, sit. Come over here. Sit down. Sit. Nice. Very nice. Buddy, nice. Hey, you're too restless, eh, pal? Not like yesterday. You're just too restless today. We're gonna stop soon. I'll make sure we stop soon, okay? Stop at a rest area and play some ball? Me and the boys stop at a rest area and play some ball? Tell me. All right. Buddy, here's what we want to do. We want to teach the pup how to take it nicely. So I'm going to get you to get it nicely. So nicely. That's a good boy. Did you see? Did you see how he did it? Hey, does my pal want a more cookie? You got to take it nice, though. Remember, nice. No, that wasn't nice. It's got to be nice. Remember, nice.